Very sorry, friends, I could not get the video of how the mold is released from the fiber and the painting gets stuck to the fiberglass. They call it Forma, and you can see how there's a small photo which I got it that how they release the mold that is called the Forma from the fiberglass, and the painting gets stuck to the fiberglass, and here it is, the name of the boat. And this beautiful scenery which Vikrant and Velankani, they both had done the artwork on this. So it looks very beautiful, and the whole the down part, that is the hull, is fiberglass, and the upper portion there are some ply and some woodwork also. So I was lucky to come here in between and get this video so that you will understand that how the work is going on. And let me try to go up also so that I can show you how the work is in progress. And here you can see some guys, they are going up for some work to be done. So little more work has to be finished. So the propeller and the rudder has to be fitted, and here it looks as if the boat is complete, but it's not complete. When I go up, you will understand. So I've climbed up, and here you can see the workers are applying some solution so that it's a waterproof solution, and here the cabin work is going on. So usually the boats have only one deck, but here in this case this boat has a lower deck and an upper deck. So upper deck, the captain's cabin will be there, still it has not been constructed. So the lower deck, you can see the work is still in progress, and this is how it looks. So I hope you enjoyed, and now you will see how the boat is launched into the sea. Hello friends, and today one more day, and good morning everyone, welcome to my channel Ripples on Road. And today I have come here to take one more video, and that is you remember I had put some 7 parts of reverse painting. So today the boat is ready, and today it is being launched into the sea and it is inaugurated. So I think you all will love this, because we have been following this boat, how it is constructed from the beginning, and I hope you will enjoy this because the boat is ready. I'll take a video now, and please if at all you love my videos, please do subscribe and like and share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much. So today is the inauguration of this boat, and you can see the painting, so beautiful it looks. So this is fully garlanded with beautiful marigold flowers, and it's such a huge boat. नमस्कार आशिष, काय म्हणताय? गुड मॉर्निंग. गुड मॉर्निंग. तुम्ही पण व्हिडिओ मध्ये येतात. कसे आहेत? बरे आहे ना? सो लॉयड इज द ओनर and he's going up. So the name of the boat, and Lloyd's wife over there, and you can see the name Eliana. This is the painting over here. So here some work is going on there. You can see some work is going on there, and this is the painting, how it looks. So friends, so you might have seen how they started. They started with the outline of the white one and then the black one, and now you can understand that how the boat looks after it's the painting is over. That is the registration number over there, and so you can get an idea of the boat, how it looks. Let me go further back. So this is how this boat looks from here. Let me take it on this side. So there are a lot of coconut trees over here. And this guy is putting some roses on this rose flower. अरे चांगलं काम करतोयस. And let me go a little far from here so that you can get a front view. So I told you about this emblem here. So this emblem is on all the boats in this area, that is Manori, Gorai and Uttan. So that's the emblem of this, so that the people will know that it's auspicious also, and people will know about that this boat belongs to this area. So let me go further and show you. This is how it looks, and here there are few people. He is the caretaker here, and the owner's father, Elias Bande, and sister, your name? Sanjeevani and Sarika. Okay. So sisters are here to come for the They have come for the inauguration, and the uncle, I should call him uncle because he is 74, no? 74, and he is a corporator of this area, Uttan area, no? Uttan area. So he is the corporator. We call him Nagar Sevak. Nagar Sevak. So I am so happy to come here and be so blessed to come here that after this boat, you might have been following this boat for last so many days, and today it is ready. So it is so happy to be here and to video this entire thing. And there are some refreshments here. Some women are here. I'll be climbing this ladder up because this is the only way to go up. So Lloyd is here and he's very happy today. God has blessed him with one more boat. Nahi? Barobar na? Second boat hai na? Third boat. Oh, God has blessed him with 3 boats now. And apla now? Hitler. Arey baap re. So his name is Hitler? Kathleen. Friends. So Lloyd's friends, and they have come to inaugurate this boat. Ani काय कसं वाटतंय आज? एकदम आनंद. खुश एकदम. He is very happy what he says, and now we have become very good friends. Because I was here for so many days taking the videos and all that. This is the front side of this boat. This is our national flag, and you can see here how it looks. And from here the boat looks like this. It has a double this one. The earlier boat you saw only single it was, but here you can see double. So here what all they bring for the blessings or inauguration is hey doodh hai na? So that is the milk. You can see here this milk in this. This is turmeric, candles over there, then coconut, and then incense sticks, and then there is a rosary over there. You can see the rosary. So this is kept because most of the people who live here are Christians. So this is how it looks from here. This is the cold storage here. So here there is a cold storage, and let me see whether I can open this. Yes. So here people can sleep here. So still some work is pending, but overall they have done a beautiful work. So this is the cold storage here. So this is the back of the boat. You can see. So if I open this, you can see the cold storage here. This is the cold storage. So this is how it looks from the top. You can see some beautiful flags, and here it goes. So this is the captain's cabin, and this is the gearbox here. You can see the gearbox here, and let me go inside. This is for the direction. Everyone knows when you go in the sea, you don't know the way you are going, and this is the GPS. You can see, and this has a very more advanced things here. Earlier boat we didn't see this. So speedometer and the fuel gauge, everything is here. RPM also. So this is the fuel, and this is for the how much the battery is charged, and this also is for the battery. and this is the speedometer. There are some switches here, I don't know what it is, and there is a beautiful photograph of Jesus and Mother Mary, and this is how it looks from the front. So friends, if you are sitting in the cabin here, the captain's cabin, and if you are taking the boat, so it looks like this. One thing I wanted to show, Hitler and now we solo, sorry, Kaslin. So both are in traditional dress. That is, तुम्ही ह्याला काय नाव आहे का ह्याला? सुरका. लंगोटी. नाही लंगोटी नाही. सुरका. आणि वर टी शर्ट काय चालतं ना? Okay, so up they can wear shirt or t-shirt or anything, but down is called surka. बरोबर ना? मी बोलतोय बरोबर ना? Surka. So this is very easy. Even in South India, we wear dhoti or lungi. In our state, that where I am from, we wear lungi or dhoti. So that's about this traditional dress. So this is how it looks. Thank you. This is where when the net is pulled, so it comes on this. You can see it will move around, and it will move around, and it goes to that engine over there, where there is a motor which will pull the ropes, and there are two here. There is one on this side and the other is on that side. You can see here. So it gets pulled here. This is the engine here. So the nets will be here, the rope will be here. So the rope will be on this and the net will be on that. So that gets pulled like this. Children are getting down. They are so small, but they are not afraid. See this girl, how she's getting down. And the other girl was also up. So here's my motorcycle. I have come here on this. And let me show you some very beautiful. It's the artwork which was done by Velankani and Vikrant. This is a small boat, but the artwork is really so beautiful. You can see here. It's on the some Egyptian. You can see. It's very difficult for me to move around. Let me try to go that side. Yeah, see here. So the name of the boat is Joshua. It's still under construction. Something I saw here, so I came here to explore what it is, and what it is here, it's an oil. So this oil, and here is a person. Tumchi boat. So he is the owner of this boat here. This boat. काय नाव?
निकी. बोटीचं नाव जोशुआ.
जोशुआ. मी बघितलं जोशुआ. काय नाव सांगितलं तुझं? Nikki. And Nikki was telling me about this. And this is used to put it on the wooden parts, so the wood won't get decayed. बरं झालं मला तुम्ही जरा एक माहिती दिली आणि हे काहीतरी वेगळंच बघितलं. So I told him that you given me a good information. This I have never seen. So Nikki is the owner of this boat. आणि केव्हा हे होणार उतरवणार पाण्यात?
आता next
month. Next week.
Yes.
Okay. So next week you'll put it in the sea. So thank you, Nikki. Thank you very much.
या मग.
This oil which was in this, they applied here. You can see the oil here on all wooden parts. So these are all wooden parts. This guy is keeping the oil inside because they have to put it inside also. So you can see this all. See, he is doing it. And तुझं नाव सांग ना? Conrad. And see how he is doing. So this oil they apply like this with the cotton. आणि हे तेल कुठून येतं माहिती आहे का?
बनवायला लागते.
Okay. So this oil is not manufactured in any company or anything. So they make it at home. So त्याच्यात 2-3 तेल मिक्स करता का? Oh, so there is a mixture of some oils. So he also doesn't know much. So this is how it's done.
आता आणि सदा सर्वदा परमपुत्राचा गौरव असो. आता आणि सदा सर्वदा पवित्र आत्म्याचा गौरव असो. त्यांचा खलासी हो, त्यांना सर्व चांगल्या गोष्टी प्राप्त व्हाव्यात म्हणून आशीर्वाद दे. या तिथे या पुढे पुढे सर हे घ्या आवाज करतो
सर्व कसे टोकावा गेले एकदम आता बोटीने आला लागेल.
व्हेरी गुड व्हेरी गुड.
So friends, the boat is named after her. Her name is Eliana. So Eliana, yes. So that's Lloyd's daughter.
सगळे एकदम नको ते मग असं थोडा
The boat has been started by father with blessings, and here is father and Lloyd, very happy today. God has blessed him, so our blessing also. See the smoke coming out of this. What they are doing is here, I told you earlier also in my earlier video, so this is a blessing and this is auspicious, so they put it all over, you can see everywhere.
This is chicken biryani. Father's plate is so father is enjoying chicken biryani and uncle is also here.
So Francis is ready, and now we will be taking the boat, and because it is here where it was constructed, and now we have to pull it up to the sea, but there is a low tide, but we will be taking it to the sea, and this is how it has been taken, because this is the modern way of taking the boat. The earlier video which you have seen of launching a boat, that was the traditional way of people getting involved in that. But here we are seeing that 2 cranes are being used so that it can be taken from this place to the sea, and really speaking it's very heavy, and I hope you will love this way. what they are doing, this is the anchor, and you can see the boat is there. Can you see the boat over there? So now night there will be an high tide. So what they'll do morning, they will tie this rope to the boat, and the boat will be pulled with this anchor here. Friends, he is Francis.
Francis.
आणि क्या नाम Kallu, and he is a caretaker. Mansingh from Nepal. So he is from Nepal. So they both are crane operators. So this huge crane here, which you people saw for taking the boat inside the water. So कितना साल से म्हणजे किती वर्ष झाले?
18-20 वर्ष असतात.
18-20. Earlier he was working in Gulf. बरोबर ना? कुठे? Saudi.
7 years Saudi, 2 years Dubai.
काय काम करत होते?
Crane operator, big crane.
Crane operator.
100 ton crane.
Oh, 100 ton. Oh my God. That is too big. This is 12 ton, 16 tons.
Yeah.
और आप कहाँ से?
यूपी से.
यूपी से. आणि तुम्ही इकडचे?
नाही मी मंगळूरचा आहे.
हाँ Mangalore. Sorry. Yeah, he is from Mangalore. That is Karnataka.
Now staying Uttar.
So they are so good, so trained. I thought this boat will dash these pillars. There are two gates here. I thought it will go and touch it, but when I saw them, they are taking that. It was so perfect. And caretaker Mansingh, na? Mansingh, yeah, he is taking care of the whole area. बराबर ना पूरा सब संभाल रहे क्या? Yeah. And so धन्यवाद. अच्छा लगा, मजा आया आज सच्ची. ये पहली बार देख रहा हूँ मैं ऐसा. 14 साल नेपाल से इधर आके 14 साल. चलो तुम्हारा सेठ है ना, भगवान जैसा आदमी. सच्ची बोल रहा हूँ मैं, ऐसा आदमी मैं देखा नहीं है. चलो फिर ओके, धन्यवाद, थैंक यू.